Okay, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but I thought I'd do this challenge video. So I'm going to just, I've got a BB gun here. It's a plastic BB gun, entirely plastic. Pretty loud. And I'm just going to take a shot, maybe to the leg, to the arm, I'm not sure. As a challenge, I'm using these BBs. The gun was £5, £15, sorry. Okay. BB in. I don't know if you can see because they're both black. Okay. This will hurt. 3. Oh my god. That kills. I shot my leg and it hurts. Right. Wow. That hurt. It still hurts. Still stinging. Oh my god. So I don't know if you can see that, but right there is where the BB hit. Oh my